Good morning, children. Welcome to my class. Today, children, I am going to explain the word problem, chapter number 2. So, children, firstly, watch the video carefully, and then after that, you have to do this worksheet number 8. Now, let's start the session. A. There are 48,570 plants in a nursery. Its adjoining nursery has 51,257 plants. Which nursery has more plants and by how much? Now, children, nursery is a place where the different kinds of plants and flower plants like plants of floral plants or the plants which will give fruits, vegetables, different kinds of plants, so are sold in the nursery. So here this is the story about the nursery. So in a nursery, the 48,570 plants are there, and there is a adjoining nursery is also there. Two nurseries are there. So its adjoining nursery has 51,257 plants. So you have to find out which nursery has more plants and by how much. Now let's firstly start. I will apply the 4 square method in order to understand this problem. Okay, now see, let's start the first step. First step is understanding the words problems keywords, that is punchline. Okay, so here all of you see that there are 48,570 plants. This is the keyword in the nursery, and the adjoining nursery is also having 51,257 plants. Which nursery has more plant? Here there is a comparison between the two nurseries. So, and by how much you have to also find out that by how much which nursery the nursery has the more plants. So in this the comparison is there. So here the algebraic expression subtraction will be used. Correct. Now come to second one is planning. We draw the picture. Okay, now let's divide this part in two part. Okay, this part is the nursery, first nursery, which is having the different kinds of plants. The total plants that is nursery is the nursery is having is this nursery 48,570 plants, and there is another nursery is also there adjoining this nursery. So this nursery is also having different kinds of plants. So the total number of plants of this nursery is 51,257. So this is the number of plants the both nurseries are having, first one and second one. Now third is step is we will solve the problem, that which nursery has the more plants and by how much. Here there is a question of comparison. So firstly we will do comparison. We will compare the two digits. Okay, 51,257 and 48,570. We will compare it, which one is more and which one is less. Then after comparison, in order to find out by how much means total, by how much is the punchline, by how much, it means we have to subtract 51,257 is subtracted with 48,570. We will do the subtraction. Now fourth subtraction, this is the difference. This is the number of the more plants that the having the winners nursery. So fourth point is we have to check our solution. So how we will check it? This is the difference. So we will add the difference and subtract, and then we will get the minuend. Okay, so if it is this equation is proved, then it means the solution is correct. Now let's start to do the problem. So number of plants in a nursery is 48,570, right? Now there is a question is there that what is 51,257? It is what? And 48,570, what it is? So 48,570 is the number of the plant in a nursery, and this 51,257 is the number of the plants in adjoining nursery. Number of plants in its adjoining nursery. Okay, now the question is which nursery has more plants and by how much? So here we will do the comparison. We will compare the two numbers, 51,257 and 48,570. Let's start the comparison. So in comparison we will compare with the greatest place value digit. Firstly we see that number of the digits are same in both numbers or not. Number of the digits see in this number 1 2 3 4 5, here also 1 2 3 4 5, both belong to same place value. Now let's compare the digits of the highest place value, that is 5 and 4. So here 5 is more than 4. It means this 51,257 is more than 48,570. Now let's come to the point. So adjoining, so which nursery has more plants? The adjoining nursery. Adjoining nursery has more plants. Now question is by how much? So by how much we have to find the difference. So we will find the difference. 51,257 is subtracted with 48,570. We will do the subtraction. According to the subtraction rule, we will start from the extreme right side. 7 minus 0, 7. Now 5 minus 7, not possible. I will borrow 1 from this 2. 10, 1 10. So 10 plus 5, 15, and 2 will become 1. So 15 minus 7 is 8. Again 1 minus 5, not possible. I will borrow from this 1. The 1 will become 0 and this will become 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. Now 0 minus 8, not possible. I will borrow from 5. I will borrow 10 from 5. So 0 will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now 4 minus 4 is 0. So 2,687 is the total number of the plants more that the adjoining nursery is having. So here adjoining nursery has won the race of having the more plants. So adjoining nursery has more plants by how much? By 2,687. In 2000, now question number B. In 2011, the population of town was 5,75,890. If the number of males was 2,90,170, find the number of females in the town. So here children, we all of us have to understand this story. What is the problem given in the story? So for this I will apply 4 square method, correct? Now let's start with first understanding the keywords. What are the keywords given in the story? So here the keywords are, the first keyword, total population of the town. Total population of the town 5,75,890. Now here second keyword is number of males, that is 2,90,170, and the punchline is find the number of females, just opposite of males. So in order to find out the opposite opposite gender from the population, So one gender is given, the total number of the one kind of type of gender, that is male, it is given. So we have to find out the number of opposite gender, that is female, from the population. So what is the algebraic expression we will use? Here we will use subtraction, right? Now let's point number 2, step number 2, planning. Planning means picture, drawing the picture. Now here we see that I am dividing it into two part. One is male and other one is female. So this is the male. Male. So what is the number of males? 2,90,170. This is the number of males, right? And the female. Question is, we have to find out number of females. Okay. So number of females are what? Total population is 5,75,890, right? Now let's start. Then next step, third step, that is we will solve the problem, correct? So in order to find out the number of the female, we have to subtract number of the male from the total population. So total population is 5,75,890 and the number of male 2,90,170. We will do the subtraction. So difference whatever we get, it is the total number of female. Now next step is check. So in order to check, we add the difference with, this is the number of male is a subtrahend. We add difference with the subtrahend, we will get total population. That is, difference is total number of female. S is subtrahend, total number of male, female and male. When they are added, it will give total number of population, that is minuend. Correct? Now let's solve the problem. So total number of population. Now children, here the digit is 5,75,890. What is this? What is it? 5,75,890. What is this? And in the question 2,90,170. What is this? So this is 2,90,170 is total number of males population. Correct? Total number of males populations are 2,90,170. So number of females population is what? So let us do subtraction. 5,75,890 will be subtracted with 2,90,170. So this 2,90,170 is the number of the male. In order to find out number of female, we have to do the subtraction of male population from the total population. So let's start from the extreme one side. 0 minus 1's place value. 0 minus 0, 0, 9 minus 7, 2, 8 minus 1, 7, 5 minus 0, 5. Now here 7 minus 9 not possible. I will borrow 10 from this ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh place. So this 5 will reduce to 4 and 7 will become 17. 17 minus 9 is 8 and 4 minus 2 is 2. Now let's check it. We add this subtrahend and difference. 0 plus 0 is 0, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, 1 plus 7 is equal to 8, 0 plus 5 equals 5 and 8 plus 9 equals 17, 7, 1 carry over, 2 plus 2, 4, 1, 5. Now let's start question number C. How much more is 16,500 than 14,756? So let us say that we have to compare these two numbers. 16,500. We have to do comparison. How much more? Firstly, let us find out how this 16,500 is more than 14,756. So here we see that total number of digits, each number is having same 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, both are having the same number of digits. Now let's start the comparison from the extreme left side, that is largest place value. That is in the 10,000 place it is 1, and here it is 1, both are same. Now come towards the right, here 1000 place value is 6 and 4. So here 4 and 6. So we see that 6 is more than 4. So this total number 16,500 is more than 14,756. But by how much? Now, so for this we have to do the subtraction. We subtract 16,500 with 14,756. We do the subtraction. So let's start here. 0 0, two zeros are there, so we go to the digit which is next to the second zero. It is 5. So I will borrow 110 from this 5. The 5 will reduce to 4 and this 0 will become 10. Now again I will borrow 1 from this 10, 110 from this 10, so it will become 910, and this 0 ones will become 10 1. Now let's do the subtraction. 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 5 4. Now 4 minus 7, again not possible. I will borrow 10 from this 1000 place. So from 6 I have borrowed 1000, so it will become 5, and then here 4 will become 14. 14 minus 7 is 7, 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So let's again check it. 6 plus 4 10, 0, 1 carry over. 5 plus 4 9, plus 1 10, 1 carry over. 7 plus 7 14, plus 1 15, 1 carry over. 4 plus 1 5, 1 6, and 1 plus 0 1. So the solution is correct. Now next question, D. What must be subtracted from 5,25,873 to get 1,75,693? So here again, let's frame the equation. 5,25,873 will be subtracted with what to get 1,75,693. So what should be subtracted from 5,25,873 to get 1,75,693? For this we have to subtract. This is minuend, this is subtrahend. What is subtrahend? We don't know. Subtrahend we have to find out, and this is difference. So we subtract difference from the minuend. So let's write down 5,25,873, and just below it minuend, one following the place value chart. So in this way we do the subtraction. Starts from the ones place value. 3 minus 3 0, 7 minus 9. Again we have to borrow 10 from the 100 place, so 8 will reduce to 7, and 17 minus 9 is 8. Now 7 minus 6 is 1, and 5 minus 5 is 0. Again 2 minus 7, not possible. I will borrow 10 from this 5. So 4, 5 will become 4, 110 I will borrow, and this 2 will become 12. 12 minus 7 is 5, 4 minus 1 is 3. So it is 3,50,180. So 3,50,180 will be subtracted from 5,25,873 to get 1,75,600. Now let us check the answer. 3 plus 3, 3 plus 0, 3, 9 plus 8, 17, 7, 1 carry over. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 5, 12, 2, 1 carry over. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So in this way children you have to solve. I hope you have joined this session children. So children, please be attentive and do your classwork and homework today. Your classwork is A and B and your homework is C and D. Bye bye children. Have a nice day.